Welcome to in front of me BLACKVIEW BL6000 PRO 5G, and I'll show you how to change icon shape with X Icon Changer app on this device. So let's first get the application from the Play Store. Now here in the search bar enter X Icon Changer, and now we should get this application. So tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. And after that, just tap here to open. And now just select one from these available applications. For example, we'll change the contacts icon. So we can rename this icon if you want, but I don't want to do that. Here we can see one from these available icons from these folders, or also we can select the new icon from our device gallery, or just to take a picture right now in camera app. I will go with this ones. For example, I'll select this contact icon. After that, just click here on to OK on the right upper corner. Now just wait a little bit, click here to X icon and tap to add automatically. Now we can change the next icon by the same way. And now after that, we can see the new look of our contacts icon with the new icon shape. Where this? Okay, so we have here the contacts, so we can see the difference between our older the icon and the new. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.